Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to avoid overdrafts with Klover. So here we're going to get straight into the video. So for setting up overdraft protection, how you want to do that is to first log into your Klover account, and then you want to click the accounts or account setting tab, and then just enable overdraft protection to transfer funds from a linked account or credit card. Now for overdraft protection features on Klover, the first of course is the low balance alert. So you're going to receive alerts when your account balance falls below a certain threshold. There's also overdraft transfer, which automatically transfers funds from a linked account or credit card to cover for overdrafts. And you also have the overdraft fee avoidance, and you can avoid overdraft fees by transferring funds in real time. So when it comes to managing account balances, your first thing to note is to regularly review account balances to ensure that you have sufficient funds. And then you can also set up account balance alerts to notify you when balance falls below a certain threshold. You could also prioritize transactions to ensure essential expenses are covered for first. Now, a couple of tips for avoiding overdrafts with Klover. The first, of course, is to regularly review account balance to ensure sufficient funds. The second, of course, is to set up account balance alerts to notify you when balance falls below a certain threshold. And you could also prioritize transactions to ensure essential expenses are covered. And lastly, you need to monitor account activities regularly to detect any suspicious transactions that are being carried out on your accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found the video useful. Hope you liked it. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what your thoughts, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.